All right, kindergarten, I have another activity for you guys to practice subtraction. This one you are going to need your Legos again that we used the other day. I've got mine in a basket today. You are going to need the long rectangular pages. This one, if I remember correctly, is 2 to a page. You do not have to cut them. If you want to, you can, and make like your own set of flashcards. Mine are laminated. Yours do not have to be laminated. If your grown-up wants help with hole punching and putting them on a binder ring like this for you, have them call me. We can figure something out, okay? The other thing you're going to need is that dry erase marker that I put in your packets a couple weeks ago, okay? There's going to be a third subtraction practice video that we're going to use the bags of the big like Duplo size Legos. And there was a dry erase marker if you can't find the regular Expo one that I sent in your bags several weeks ago, okay? It was one of the first ones, I think. And it's a big fat Expo marker like what we used in school, okay? So I've got my 3 things. If you don't, pause and then come back when you're ready, okay? And I'm gonna screen share in the meantime. All right, so you are back and you've got your Legos, your cards. It's okay if they're still 2 by 2, and your dry erase marker. So mine got mixed up. So mine might be different than yours. Don't bother trying to find the one that looks like mine. It's okay, because like the other activity, the procedure of what you're going to do is exactly the same for every single card, okay? And this one also has different colors, different cards with different amounts, okay? So let's start with one, and oh, this is so important practice. Let's start with a little one, a small and easy one, okay? So we see that we have 1 red and 2 blue. Okay, so I'm going to get my Legos. Now I'm going to write my addition. This one is for addition practice, but you could do it opposite for subtraction too, and I'll show you an example up above, okay? But this is how the activity is meant to be, and then we're going to tweak it a little bit for subtraction, okay? Don't practice, because it never hurts to practice even addition. All right, so we're going to write our addition equation here. So I have how many red? I have 1 red, so I'm going to put a 1 in that box. And I have 2 blue, so I'm going to write 2 in that box, and then my total, my sum is 3. Okay? Awesome. That's what you're going to do for addition for every single one. Now, here's the flip side of it for subtraction, because subtraction is the opposite of addition, okay? Here's the trick though, with subtraction, the subtraction level that you have to worry about right now, the larger number, the number that is greater, always goes first, okay? So 2 is greater than 1. So here's what we're going to do. We've got 2 blue minus 1. Or wait, no, hang on. Brain goof. Just checking to make sure you're paying attention. How many do I have all together? I have 3. I have how many red? 1. So if I take away that 1 red, how many do I have? I have 2 blue. Whoa. Now, what if I switched it? I have 3 total. What if I take away the 2 blue? Minus 2, I'm left with 1. You just made a fact family. A fact family uses the same 3 numbers 4 different ways. The other way, I don't have, let me make these a little smaller. We're going to make 2 addition problems here. I'm going to separate them with that line. So the first one we made was 1 plus, plus 2 equals 3. Right there. 2 plus 1 also equals 3. Boom. Awesome, right? Okay. You don't have to do all 4 for each one. I'm just showing you a little sneak peek of what we're going to get into with our subtraction. Okay. So you can go through and just do all the addition as it is. Okay. Practice that fluency. We haven't done addition in several months. And then ask yourself, how can I make it a subtraction equation? And you can do this with all the cards. Now, the other thing I recommend is trying to have a grown-up check every maybe 5 to 10 cards and then go through and erase, because since this is laminated, it's the, well, I guess yours aren't going to be, so you'll just be writing and I'll be practicing, so never mind. All right, let's try a different one. I'm gonna put those away. Let's just try a random one. Well, let's try this one. Ooh. All right, how many yellows do I need? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I need 6 yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Whoops. Woo. Knocking into each other. And I need 2 green. I'm gonna dig for my greens. 1, 2. And how many do I have all together? 6, 7, 8. Now, how can I make this a subtraction problem? I have how many all together? I have 8. Okay, if I take away those 2 greens, how many am I left with? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now if you wanted to do 8 minus 6 equals 2, that would be correct as well, because again, same 3 numbers mixed around is a fact family. Okay, so I hope you have lots and lots of fun doing this activity, like I hope you had fun doing the other one, and extra practice, and also those problem solving skills of how can I make this from addition to subtraction, being able to flip back and forth. That's a really important skill, because as you get older, especially into 1st grade, addition problems will get mixed in with subtraction problems, and you have to figure out and learn how to pay attention to the sign of operation, that plus or that line that means subtraction. Okay, so have fun, have a wonderful day, and I hope that these extra activities help. All right, see you later.